How to strengthen the immune system quickly against any virus? Several questions arise today. Why are some people victims of infections while others resist? How is it that two people with the same disease stage recover at very different paces? Well, both are interesting and complex questions, with equally complex answers, that always lead us to think about the stage of the immune system. If instead of spending huge amounts of money and time developing new antibiotics and more powerful antiviral agents, we applied some of these resources to improve the defensive capacity of the immune system, the results would certainly be different. Viruses and bacteria are always mutating and eventually become resistant to drugs, and the trouble is, it seems inevitable. Developing offensive weapons without paying attention to our defense system is undoubtedly a wrong strategy. By improving the immune system of the population, microbes would find it difficult to achieve a foothold. Even being infected, we would fight the invasion more efficiently. For those who do not know it yet, glutathione is a protein that we produce naturally, and its main function is to protect each one of the cells, tissues, and organs that are part of the human body. It is made up of 3 amino acids, known as glycine, glutamate, and cysteine, and is found within each of our cells. This incredible combination makes it the most powerful antioxidant in our body. In fact, some experts refer to it as the master antioxidant. Where can we find it? Many foods contain significant amounts of glutathione. According to experts, the best option is all those ingredients rich in amino acids that include sulfur in their composition, such as fresh fruits and vegetables. Once cooked, their values become practically insignificant. Spinach, watermelon, grapefruit, asparagus, avocado, strawberries, squash, broccoli, cauliflower, walnuts, garlic, and tomatoes have the highest levels of glutathione per serving. Curcumin, fish, poultry, red meat, and the herb known as milk thistle are also an excellent source of this antioxidant compound. However, the best overall food for maximizing glutathione is a high-quality whey protein. It must be cold-pressed whey made from the milk of pasture-fed cows and free of hormones, chemicals, and sugar. High levels of glutathione improve the immune system. Health professionals, teachers, people who work for the public or spend time in crowded places, such as cinemas, restaurants, gyms, airport lounges, public transport, and people who, for whatever reason, are prone to disease, they should increase their immune resistance by increasing glutathione levels. In recent weeks, we have been surrounded by a lot of news about the famous virus, and we wondered if, by increasing the level of glutathione, could any protection be obtained. Glutathione can undoubtedly play a very important role in this situation. However, there is still no direct study to prove this point. To date, no clinical trials have been published that directly analyze the role of glutathione in the treatment or prevention of this virus. Why might the idea of increasing glutathione as an effective defense strategy be interesting? Taking into account the above arguments and based on the scientific support provided by the hundreds of studies that show that glutathione has a positive effect on many other viral diseases and plays an important role in the fight against infections, we can investigate in the database of www.pubmed.gov, where you will find articles on glutathione in relation to viral diseases such as the common cold, rhinovirus, the flu, influenza, AIDS, HIV, hepatitis A, B and C, the DNA virus, the RNA virus, retroviruses, and many more. It can be seen that most of the studied viruses thrive in a low glutathione environment and with high levels of oxidative stress. The importance of glutathione for health should not be overestimated. If there is not enough glutathione, invaders penetrate the body's defenses, infect it, contribute to wear and tear, generate collateral damage, and in the long term accelerate oxidation and aging. Immunocal, from the Canadian company Immunotech, is a nutraceutical, a natural product of pharmaceutical quality, isolated from undenatured whey, lactose-free, which provides a natural source of cysteine. It is qualified as a food supplement and has no contraindications. The cysteine that Immunocal contains causes our body's cells to naturally produce glutathione. Intracellular glutathione is a fundamental and critical contributor to the immune response. It facilitates fundamental functions such as detoxifying, energizing, and it is considered the essential antioxidant molecule. The best defense against any virus is to strengthen the immune system, and the famous virus is not an exception. By maintaining an adequate level of intracellular glutathione, we will also adequately keep our immune system loaded. If you are interested in trying the product, check out the links below in the video description. If you found this video helpful, like it, comment down below, and subscribe for more videos to come.